Hello and welcome to this video where we will discuss about CompTIA Security Plus SYO-601 certification. Before we deep dive into this certification, let us understand what is security. We have come across this word in our day-to-day life, but what exactly is security? We have seen security guards in our offices, buildings, and societies. They ensure that no unauthorized person gets access to the building. Similarly, security is also important in IT domain. We all are very happy and getting used to our work from home culture. We are enjoying the benefits that remote working is offering, like time flexibility, workspace flexibility, increased productivity, and whatnot. Companies are also encouraging this new culture because of all these benefits. We may have come across instances where Facebook accounts or Instagram accounts of our family or relatives or friends might have been hacked. We all have this fear that our personal information like photos or images would be leaked or accessed by unauthorized users. The work from home culture has also led to increase in sharing data over emails, drives or any other digital medium like WhatsApp, Telegram or Microsoft Teams. This is like a jackpot for hackers around the world to get access to organization or individuals' data. Hence, it is essential that we prevent such hackers from accessing our data and maintain the confidentiality and integrity of our information. Cybersecurity is considered one of the highly rewarding and satisfying career paths by many professionals. A rapid increase in sophisticated cyber attacks in recent years has increased the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals. Organizations look around to hiring an employee who has adequate knowledge and experience in IT security. To outsmart the cyber criminals, one should be well versed with the approach followed by cyber criminals to compromise the network and valuable information assets. Let us now dive into CompTIA Security Plus SYO 601 certification. The security certification was updated on 12th November 2020 from SYO 501 to SYO 601. It is an entry-level cybersecurity certification. It is globally reputed certification that validates the baseline skills necessary to perform core security functions and pursue an IT security career. It is compliant with ISO 17024 and approved by the Department of Defense of the US. CompTIA Security Plus is chosen by the defense organization and corporations more than any other certification in the market. It develops your expertise in core technical skills like assessing and managing risk, incident response, forensics, enterprise networks, security controls, and cloud operations. The CompTIA Security Plus certification exam will verify that the successful candidate has the knowledge and skills required to assess the security posture of an enterprise environment and recommend and implement appropriate security solutions. Monitor and secure hybrid environments including cloud, mobile, and IoT. Operate with an awareness of applicable laws and policies. Before getting into the content of 601, let us first understand what is the difference between 501 and 601. There are 5 domains in updated SYO 601 exam as compared to 6 domains in previous SYO 501 exam. The new CompTIA Security Plus SYO 601 exam has fewer objectives than SYO 501 exam. SYO 501 covers 37 exam objectives under 6 domains, while SYO 601 will cover 35 objectives under 5 domains. Moreover, SYO 601 exam objectives include more examples under each objective. According to CompTIA, the number of examples is increased by 25% in the objectives of updated version. Examples are added to understand the concept behind each objective. It will further help the IT professional to prepare for exam certification and for job as well. The contribution of the domain attacks threats vulnerabilities in SYO 601 has increased by 3%, taking it to 24%, and the domain architecture and design has gone up by 6%, placing it at 21%. The remaining 3 domains in Security Plus SYO 601 are now named as Implementation, Operations and Incident Response, and governance, risk, and compliance. Let us now take a high level overview on all the 5 domains of Security plus SYO 601. The first domain is attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities. It covers 24% of the entire syllabus. It thoroughly covers sophisticated DDoS attacks, social engineering attacks, and threats and vulnerabilities associated with IoT and embedded devices. Coming to architecture and design, it covers 21% of the total syllabus. It covers the enterprise environment, cloud technology, secure automation of applications, and virtual platforms. The third domain is implementation, which is comprised of 25%. It covers identity and access management, PKI, that is public key infrastructure, wireless security settings, and end-to-end security. Operations and incident response is of 16%, which covers the security assessment and incident response procedures such as detection, risk mitigation, and the basics of forensics. Finally, governance, risk, and compliance is of 14%. It focuses on risk management and teamwork to stay compliant with regulations such as HIPAA, GDPR, NIST, and DSS. Coming to the next slide, there are 90 questions that needs to be answered in a duration of 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. The passing score is 750 out of 900 and questions will be of multiple choice and performance based. Currently at the moment while recording this video, the exam is available in 2 languages, that is English and Japanese, and the cost of exam is $370. It may be varying depending upon your location. You can take the exam remotely or in person. CompTIA provides you testing options at any of Pearson VUE testing centers located across the globe. Coming to the prerequisites, according to the official website, you need to have CompTIA Network Plus certification and 2 years of experience in IT administration with a security focus. Let us now understand what are the benefits of Security Plus certification. According to CompTIA, during candidate screening, 96% of the managers look for certifications and include these as a part of job requirement. A certified cybersecurity professional can earn 22% more than a non-certified cybersecurity professional according to the Global Knowledge Report. You can apply for various job roles such as system administrator, IT auditor, penetration tester, network administrator, security engineer, and consultant. Here are a few screenshots of security jobs available in the market right now. You might be wondering, how will this certification help you in increasing your CTC? Well, according to our research, the average pay scale of a certified CompTIA Security Plus SYO 601 professional is approximately 5.9 lakhs in India and $74,033 in US. Got interested in trying your hands in cybersecurity but aren't sure how to prepare for it? Visit InfoSec Train's website to know more about this training. Thank you for staying engaged. We will come with many new videos with new certifications very soon. Until then, keep learning.